Hi everyone, Sandy Trefger here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and my walkthrough video for this project that I designed and created for Country Craft Creation using Blvd Meow paper collection. This is the perfect collection for me to work with this time because, as you know, I love cats. I have cats. I've had cats for years. I've had them since I was very, very young. My first cat I named Snowball, even though he was black, totally black, but he was very fuzzy and he reminded me of a ball, and I called him Snowball. My family thought I was crazy, but keep in mind I was probably about 3 or 4 years old. So stay tuned and I will show you this cute little album that I created for my cats using Meow. Okay, first of all, here on the cover, I have used the acrylic sheet with the hearts on it to make a frame, so I can insert a photo down into the top of the frame here. I added the Bella Pops that I got in the design team package. Here's the cat in the box and the little bird cage. I just think they're so cute. And these came with these little enamel hearts, and these little extra birds and hearts came with the Bella Pops. Then I added these ephemera pieces, and I attached the ribbon and added circles from the ephemera pieces. And then this is Meow cut from the branding strip. And so this is double matted on purple, my colors. I give the colors in the description down below and the printed paper. So this is what it looks like. There's the spine with the kitty cats on the back. So let's take a look at the inside. So you just untie this and flip it back. So this little album measures 7 by 8 and it has a 1.5 inch spine. Make sure I have room here to show you everything. And 2 signature pages that are made the same. So it's real easy to make. I think you'll enjoy making it. The front and back covers have double pockets, and those are made the same with a cute little decorative flap. So let's go over the inside covers first. So like I said, I have the double pockets. So I did matte with the purple colored my colors, and then the pattern paper here on the top and bottom, and the center one's matted with the pink my colors. And in this I used a combination of stickers and ephemera pieces that I got in the design team package. So in this first pocket I have, this one is attached because I want to make sure the cat stayed showing, so you could add more things in here. So I have one tag here. This comes with the collection. You just cut it out. I added some of the pretty ribbon, added one of the cat ephemera pieces and the little paw prints. So that's really cute. So that just tucks in there. Here in the top, oops, this holds this little flap down. So it has a photo mat in here. And of course I decorated the inside of the little flap. This is a little booklet with cut aparts folded in half. It says love is a 4-legged word. So I can put photos there. I added stickers, a heart, and the number 1 cat. So that tucks on top of the flap, where I also added ephemera on the flap. And then this little tag came with the cats on it, but I did add sticker hearts here, here, and here. And of course on the bow on this one, made with the purple jute twine, I added a little paw print ephemera piece. So that tucks in there. So then if we flip around to the other inside cover on the back, I did the same thing down here on the bottom. I matted it all the same. This is also glued down so we can see the cat. Then I have this photo mat here. It's a double photo mat on the front and the back. Little tag here where I added the cat's face. So this is a pre-made tag with the collection. These come out. So we have the decorative little flap here that lifts up. I decorated on the inside. I love how those turned out. This is a 4x6 that I folded in half with all the cats. It says Meow. I added a sticker heart and the word Zoomies from the stickers. So that tucks in right there. This is a 3x4 cut apart. And then this is another little tag where I added the ribbon from the collection. I'm going to put this one here and then this one like that. So that's the inside, front, and back cover. So now we'll flip back to our page 1. So I use the purple Charlotte's lace here. This does not untie, so it is decorative only. We don't untie it. This is held with a magnet. So this flap comes up. I use a lot of the cat ephemera pieces, so you see the ribbon is just wrapped around under there, and this little photo mat tucks in up there. And then I decorated this. This is where the magnet is, here and here. Got the little cat, the little strip of paper. I have a little photo mat there. And then this completely comes out, just like that. So you can take it out and we can add photos on the front and the back. And then I decorated this with a strip of the paper and some of the stickers and the little ephemera. So this just tucks into the pocket and grabs down onto that magnet. And this one tucks in like that. Okay. Then we have the inside here. This flap, I decorated it. All the little ephemera pieces are lifted up so that you can, tuck a photo underneath or a photo mat, whatever I decide on the size of the photos. Like this one here's the same way. So everything can be inserted behind them. This opens up this way. We have a big ephemera piece here. We have a pocket. I put Meow here. I did glue that one down, but this one you can tuck behind it. And inside that pocket I have this photo mat from the patterned paper. But this flap comes out like this. It has a little flat pocket there. You can tuck photos and some of the, this is a 3x4 cut apart. Got the, of course, that I already showed you, but on the back is all patterned. And then of course this is the pocket here that this goes into. So it has multiple features here that make it fun to go through the albums. And this goes in like that. And that all closes up. On the back side we have a slider closure piece that has the little cat and the bird. This just slides up. This comes down. This opens up this way. I put ephemera pieces up here. This drops down. Oops, I'll show it down here. Has a little ephemera piece, a little food bowl. Super cute. That comes back up. And then inside here we have a little waterfall. I decorated the paper here with some of the stickers, but this is one of the ephemera pieces. I'll show you how to do this. These are multiple sizes, made from scraps. Just a little colorful waterfall like this for photos of your favorite pets. Now there's also a dog collection by Blvd. If you're a dog person but you like the design of this album, you could certainly use the different collection for yours. So this closes up. And I decorated the back of my piece here. So this just simply slides on, and I show you how to make it at this angle like this so that it looks like that. Okay, so now we repeat the same design on this page signature. You will notice here that this book has a 1/2 inch give space so that the pages lay relatively flat when you're looking at it. This is an L hinge in this album, not a hidden hinge, but an L hinge, and I'll show you how to do that. Again, this ribbon is just attached down. It's permanent, so this lifts up. We have a little photo mat under here. We have a photo mat in here. And again, this all comes out. So you can see that. You could put a photo there. So it just easily tucks into that pocket and grabs that magnet underneath there. Then this flips back. You can tuck a photo back there. You can tuck one under here. This opens. Again, another tuck spot. And here. Love that one in its little bed. And then, of course, this is a pocket, but this comes out. So we have a photo mat tucked into this little flat pocket here in this little booklet that you could take completely out. And, of course, you can add more photo mats inside these pockets if you wanted to. So there's that side. This one has the same slider. It's decorated with a little paw print there. This flap has a tuck spot. I'm going to open this one down and hold it up. This one has a tuck spot down here, the little cute mouse and the little kitty and the plant. And you open this up, and then again I've decorated with some stickers here, and then this has this cute little piece here that holds the waterfall here. They're all different sizes. So you have this bigger one here, and then this one, and they're all made from scraps of the paper, and they're all printed double-sided. That closes up, that comes up, that goes down, and then we close it all up. And that is my Meow album for my cats. I love it. I love how it turned out. It is super, super cute. I hope if you like it, you'll give a shot at making it. I do have the tutorial on how to make the base of the album. I show you a little bit of the techniques that I use to do some of the patterned paper. I show you how to make the closures, the frame for your cover, but the patterned steps to add patterned paper is not in the tutorial. You would do that on your own. I did make mine a 1/4 inch, each mat a 1/4 inch shorter in width and height. So it's really simple. Just measure the sections and then cut your papers. But I do show you a full tutorial on how to make the album and refer you to a tutorial video on how to make the lay flat cover. And I give you the sizes for your album cover. So thank you so much for watching. This is the walkthrough, and like I said, I have a separate tutorial video on how to make this. So I'll link that down at the end, and I will also do a link in my description down below. So be sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, like, which helps my channel grow and helps others to find me. Be sure to share if you have friends and family that like to do crafting. They might be interested in making a book. It doesn't have to be a cat album. It can be any album style that you want. And as always, check out countrycraftcreations.com for your scrapbooking supplies. I appreciate you all so much, and the products are listed down below with a affiliate link to Country Craft Creations from the products that came from their store. And if you click on that and order this collection with that link, then I'll get a little kickback that helps me to buy more cardstock and chipboard and glue adhesives to keep making tutorials for you. Thanks everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.